Who here loves colors and a little bit of magic? If that's you, stay with me. This is going to be awesome. Today, we're going to make a rainbow using just sunlight and water, right in your own home. How cool is that? Are you ready to amaze your friends and family? Let's get started. Rainbows look like someone painted them across the sky, but guess what? They're actually made when light bends and splits apart. Isn't that amazing? Let me show you how it works. When sunlight shines through tiny raindrops in the air, the light bends, bounces around inside the drop, and then boom! It splits into all the different colors you see. That's why we spot red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet, just like a magical color parade. And they always show up in that exact order. But guess what? You don't need a rainstorm to see a rainbow. Want to make your very own rainbow at home? Let's do it! First, grab a glass of water, a plain white sheet of paper, and a flashlight. Got them? Great! Place the glass right on the edge of a table, shine your flashlight through the water, and hold the paper so the light lands on it. Move the paper around a bit until, ta-da! Look closely, a tiny rainbow appears right before your eyes. It's like putting on your very own science magic show in the living room. Here's a fun fact for you. No two people ever see the exact same rainbow because the light bounces a little differently for everyone. Isn't that wild? And did you know rainbows are actually full circles? Mind-blowing, right? We usually only see the top half from the ground, but there's a whole circle up there. So next time you spot a rainbow, or make one yourself, remember, you're witnessing the amazing teamwork of light and water. Keep your eyes open for wonder, and who knows what incredible things you'll discover next. If you liked it, tap that and hit subscribe so you don't miss what's next.